Hello student, I am Professor Rajesh Bhagat working in Civil Engineering Department YCC. Today we'll see the penetration test on bitumen sample. Now we all know that different types of bitumens are available in the market. There are different types of grade of bitumens available in the market to construct the road. Now as per IRC and IS code, uh, IRC and IS code has specified the penetration test, and on the basis of penetration value, we can decide the which type or grade of bitumen is suitable for different condition. Because we all know at certain place there is a temperature is more, at another place there is a temperature is less. The cold climate and the hot climate, the suitability of bitumen is different. And to know the suitability of different types of bitumen for a different condition, we have to carry out the penetration test. And IRC and IS code has given the specification when penetration value is greater than 20 or less than 225. That IRC and IS code has given that range. The penetration value should be more than 20 and it should be less than 225 millimeter. Okay. Now, we all know that there are different tests which we have to conduct on the bitumens to measure the various parameters and the properties of bitumen. Okay, but today we'll study the penetration test. Now, in this slide, you can see the apparatus or device which is used to carry out the penetration test, and the name of the device is called penetrometer. So, let me tell you, this is a cup where we have to take the bitumen. This is a dial gauge for measurement of penetration. Now, penetration of what? Penetration of needle. You can see this portion is called needle. Now, this needle assembly has the weight, self weight 100 gram, right? And you can see this is a one more knob which is used to make this needle assembly to move up and to move down. Okay, so this is penetrometer and different component of it. Now this is, I guess, this is the old equipment. Now different new equipments are coming, digital equipments are coming. So we'll see the more equipment. Let's move to the next slide. Now see the detailed procedure and the theory of penetrometer, or we can say penetration test. Okay. Now we have to carry out the penetration test. Now this penetration test is also used for evaluation of grade of bitumen. Okay. So just give me 1 minute. I need to change the pointer. Okay. Now see, what is this penetration value? What is this penetration test, and why we have to use this penetration test or penetration value? Now this penetration test used to determine the penetration value, and that penetration value, on the basis of the penetration value, we can determine the hardness of bitumen or softness of bitumen or consistency of bitumen. So therefore, this test is very important. And to measure the penetration value, we'll need the penetrometer. And this penetrometer consists of the needle assembly. And this needle assembly has the weight, how much? 100 gram. And because of 100 gram, it will penetrate into the bitumen sample, right? Now if that needle with weight 100 gram is penetrating into the bitumen sample, but who will measure that penetration? So to measure that, there is a particular part to the penetrometer that is called dial. Okay. Now this dial gauge will measure the penetration of needle into the bitumen sample. Okay. Now step number 1, procedure number 1 is to melt the bitumen. You have to melt the bitumen with the help of some heating device. So increase the temperature up to near about 100 degrees Celsius. At 100 degrees Celsius, that bitumen will be in liquid form, and after that we have to pour that liquid or a hot bitumen into the cup. Now how much you will take the bitumen? So take the bitumen into the cup in a such way that it will maintain the depth at least 15 millimeter in excess. Okay, excess of what? Expected penetration. Okay, if I want to determine the penetration value, I purchased the bitumen which has the grade of bitumen is 150, or you can say 80 or 40, anything. Okay, so my expected penetration is 80, okay, millimeter. So I have to take the bitumen into cup with depth in excess 50 millimeter. Okay, so that we have to remember. And another thing, after taking, I have taken the poor, I have melted the bitumen, then I have taken into the cup. Okay, uh, I have taken the excess quantity. Okay, that is the thing. And after taking the bitumen into cup, we have to cool down. But where we will cool down? Into fridge or in somewhere else? No, we have to keep that cup into the water bath. Water bath is one more device where we have to take the water, and there is also arrangement to maintain the particular temperature of that water, and inside that water you have to take the cup, and how much temperature will maintain 25 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. So it will cool down that bitumen which is taken into the cup. After that, take it out and keep that bitumen which is taken into the cuff. I mean that cuff, take that cuff and keep for the penetration. So there is a penetrometer. So in that penetrometer, below the needle, we have to keep the container. Now there is arrangement that penetrometer consists of needle with weight. We are saying that needle assembly with weight 100 gram. Now uh, we have to make the arrangement that needle should touch to the surface of the bitumen which is in a cup. Okay, after that we have to start the penetration. Okay, so there is knob is there. If you press that knob, then there will be penetration will start, and we have to allow that penetration only for 5 seconds, not more than that. Okay, so penetration of needle into the bitumen for 5 seconds. That is our penetration value. Okay, and to measure that penetration, we will need the dial gauge. Now this is our first penetration. So same way we have to do the penetration of needle into the bitumen for 5 seconds 3 times, but at different position. See, if this is my cuff, then first penetration will be at this point, second will be at this point, and third will be at this point. The positioning of this all penetration point will be away from each other. How much? You can say, you can read this 10 millimeter apart. Okay, and I will get the 3 value, and from this 3 value I will get the mean value of penetration value, and that will be my the final result of penetration test. So let me clear all these things. Okay, moving further. Now this is the, let me one more time tell you, this is a penetrometer, and this is one, please just okay. Now see, this is a dial gauge. Okay, this is the knob which is used to loosening the like this. Okay, so all this with the help of this knob. Okay, now this is a needle, right? And this is a needle attached to this part, and the total part, the total weight of this needle assembly is 100 gram. Now this is a cup where we have taken the bitumen, first in melted form, then in water bath, cool down. Then after taking from the cooled water bath, we have to keep below this needle. Okay, now touch this needle to the surface of top surface of bitumen. Okay, now this you can see, this is our initial position before the penetration. Okay, 100 gram needle. Okay, and the temperature of bitumen is 25 degrees Celsius. One more thing that you have to remember, that the test we need to carry it out at a 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, now after allowing the penetration for 5 seconds, you can see because of weight of the needle, this needle will penetrate in the bitumen. Okay, and whatever bitumen, whatever penetration happen in the bitumen, you can see this distance is called penetration, and this distance you can say here, this penetration will measure by this dial gauge. Okay, so let's move further towards the video where you can easily understand how to carry out how to perform the penetration test. Okay, now this is our video. Let me start this. This is very interesting.
This is a cup which is needed in penetrometer to determine the penetration value by penetrometer. So in this cup we have to take the bitumen. So this is melted bitumen. We have melted this bitumen with the help of this heater. Okay, like this. You can see. This is bitumen poured into the cup for penetrometer. We have to determine the penetration value for the given bitumen sample. can see this is penetrometer and this is needle. We are attaching needle to this penetrometer. This is needle and this is dial gauge. Initially we have to set it on 0. See, this is touching to this, and this is complete. It's called penetrometer. With this assembly, this part is called digital timer. We have to allow this needle to penetrate into the bitumen sample for 5 seconds, just for 5 seconds. This is the cup where we have taken the sample of bitumen. Now see how to touch the needle on the surface of bitumen. This is you have to lose it. After losing it, you have to take it down. So needle should be on the touching to the surface of bitumen. Okay, now we are just touching to the surface of the bitumen. Now this is lock. Now we have to allow for penetration for 5 seconds. This is automatic arrangement. You can see the timer 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is penetrating. Now you can see the reading in dial gauge. Now reading is 130 millimeter. Now from this dial gauge we can get the value, penetration value. Now this is penetration, we have to do it 3 times. So now we will go for the second penetration. Now first penetration is over. So again we have to do it 3 times at different position. This. Now we will take this initial reading and final reading. Now again press the button and then again allow to penetrate for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds automatically this will stop the penetration. Now this gap is penetrating value and this will be measured by this dial gauge. Now this is our final reading, 243 near about 243 millimeter. So from this we can measure the penetration value.
So this is our printed manual. Now after doing the penetration test, so you can see, you can read this. This is our aim to perform the penetration test. Okay, to get the penetration value and to perform that penetration test, we'll need the penetrometer and bitumen sample. In addition to this, we'll need the water bath also and heating device also. Okay, so remember that. And there is one benzene, there is one solution chemical, that benzene also is required. After first penetration you have to clean the needle, and then second penetration you have to clean the needle before going for the further penetration. Okay, so these are the things we'll need to perform the penetration test. Now theory, as we all know that we have to penetrate the needle of 100 gram into the bitumen for 5 seconds, and all this test we have to perform at a temperature 25 degrees Celsius. This is as per ILC and ISO. Okay. Now this penetration will be measured by the dial gauge, and this is a, you can see this is a, this is a procedure. We already performed the test in the video. I've shown you the video how to perform the penetration test. We also studied in few slides that detailing of penetration test. Okay, nothing is new, the same thing. Let me tell you the observation table. How to write the observation table. Initially, for first penetration, our initial reading is 0. So I'm writing here 0. For first penetration, the final reading was 130. So let me write here 130. Okay. So I'm writing with the help of mouse. So that is very difficult to write. So see, final, for second penetration, my initial reading will be 130. Okay, so just writing here 130 millimeter, right? And for second penetration, final reading will be 243. Just it's really okay. And for third penetration, the initial reading will be 243, like this, 243. And final reading was how much? I guess 360. Let's take it 360. Just I'm writing for your understanding that how to calculate. Okay. Now we have the values for thief penetration, initial and final. Now let's take the difference. For first reading, difference is 130. For second, the difference is 113, you can see. And for the last, this third penetration, and the difference is 117. 117, right? Okay. So now difference this much, the penetration will be same. Let me write one more time. 130 and 117, right? And penetration value will be mean of this. If you take the mean of these three, will be I guess mean will be 120 millimeter. Okay. So this will be our penetration value. Okay. So let's move to the next slide. Now see the what to write in the result. The penetration value for a given sample of bitumen was found out to be 120 millimeter. Generally, the range of penetration value for different types of bitumen is, you can read here, 20 to 225. Okay.